Netflix falls on slowing subscriber growth. They didn't hit their target. Big companies, shareholders, they put a guidance out there. They say, here's what to expect. Here's what we're hoping for in terms of performance. They missed it. And of course, at this time in the world, in the streaming world, if that happens, because people were already looking for chinks in the armor, they were already looking for, oh, is Netflix going to be hurt by the Disneys, by the HBOs, by the Peacocks? I don't know how worried they were about that one.
Yeah.
They were like, you can have The Office.
Yeah. What do they got?
But
What do they got?
What do they got?
so investors, they're trying to predict the future. Obviously, the stock goes down a little bit, and they're trying to see, okay, what is Netflix's role in the future? They kind of were on their own for a while in the space, and now it's a bit more crowded. Let me ask you guys, how important is Netflix in your life today versus 2 years ago, or 2 or 3 years ago? Or maybe it has never been important. I don't know. You go ahead and let me know.
Less.
You guys are guys.
Yeah.
You guys are a couple of people.
Yeah.
A couple of guys in the world. It's valid.
You know, I don't. Yeah. I watch Prime quite a bit.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
I watch
Oh,
Prime
yeah,
quite
because
a
you were
bit.
talking about the Jeff thing from earlier. Big Jeff guy.
Yeah, I'm going to get the haircut and I'm going to watch Prime and I'm going to get the
At the same time.
scan my palm. Yeah, it's the whole, you live your whole life. No, I've been watching The Expanse on Prime.
Okay.
And I use the Sportsnet app for the hockey. And, I don't Netflix that often now that you make me think about it. I can't remember the last thing I actually Netflixed.
This is valuable information
Good show
right here.
or what?
You know what? Yeah, if you can make it through the first season and the guy's stupid hat, ignore the hat, it gets way better. But it's good. It's bold. They do stuff in this show.
Oh, okay.
But I don't Netflix. I can't remember the last
Series.
and I have a negative feeling about it, residual feeling about it, because I feel like every email I get from them every month is like, your rate's going up. And then I'm like, well, what am I?
Right.
Okay, what is your rate right now? Now, this is in Canadian dollars.
Yeah, I want to say that it's like above 15, north of 15.
Okay.
Yeah.
You noticed it.
Yeah.
You
enough
noticed it.
Yeah, enough for me to think hard about it. I'm like,
Interesting. Okay, this is good information. Willie Do. I pass the microphone to you.
I never really cared too much about Netflix.
Easy.
that's bold.
They had okay shows, but I was never really into it. Also, my sister pays for Netflix, and I give her YouTube Premium, so we kind of have a trade. So we pay for each other's subscriptions. But either way, like it's not really a big deal for me if I lose it. Netflix.
Look at this information right here.
Yeah, I would go with you. I would say my YouTube Premium is more important to me than my Netflix.
Yes.
Well, yeah, I mean, we're all on YouTube,
Yeah.
so I think that there's a bit of a skew there. But
Sure.
and I don't know if we're representative of the general public. We should ask the general public watching this. I want to hear from you guys. Are you using Netflix as much? Are you enjoying it as much? What's the last big show you watched? Is something that we need to watch? Movie, documentary, etc. I find myself talking about it less. In my house, there was a Disney Plus moment. The latest is an HBO.
right, yeah.
The latest is a HBO Max moment.
Interesting.
And I don't know if it ever comes back around to the Netflix moment. It's possible, but it definitely is different than it was when opening Netflix used to be an automatic.
Yeah.
In my house, I would say it was a thing you would check on a fairly frequent basis to a thing that is. And again, we're just some people. We're just a couple of guys in the world. Try to get it together, try to put on a comfortable outfit in the morning so that it's not going to be tugging on you later.
Yeah. No chafing.
So you take it for what it is, but I will say I think Netflix fell to number 3 in my house.
Number 3, wow.
I think it goes right now. I think we check HBO Max if we want to watch something there because we've been into the series and I don't got to get into it. We actually were into something. Then they're going to check the Disney Plus, and then it's going to go down to the Netflix. So just take it for what it is. That's where it's at. And that's one example.
For you to say HBO Max and that you're into something is crazy for me because I know you, and that's rare.
Well, they're doing new releases, so you feel special. They make you feel special.
They make you feel special.
Like they just put like a warm blanket on you. Like new releases at home. It was always like a weird dream when you were a child
Oh yeah.
to have the movie theater movie at your house at the same time.
Yeah, I remember that. Yeah.
And so the fact they were able to cut this deal is meaningful. But again, that's just, I'm not telling you to, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to sell your Netflix stock. All right. Netflix is doing things and they're still pumping numbers, even if they missed whatever their guidance happens to be. Netflix is going to be here. It's not only going to be one player in this space. I don't believe it for a second.
Yeah.
And and I believe Netflix with the user base is like one hit meme away from going right back.
Yeah.
If they can just hit another meme, like when they had at the beginning of COVID, when they had the tiger thing, my whole Twitter feed was about this tiger.
Yeah, you're right.
The tiger.
So we'll have to wait and see. But that was a nice little, that was a round table. It was a nice little round table. I'm a big fan of round tables, by the way. I'm talking about actual physical round tables. It creates a different environment.
Yes.
Rectangles,
Question.
I don't have to get into it.
Yeah.